आपको पता था कि सबलेटिंग नहीं हो सकती, फिर भी किया आपने। आपके खिलाफ भी एफआईआर करवा दूं? बिना मतलब के या बिना सोचे समझे आप लोग आर्ग्यूमेंट्स करते हो, इनवाइटिंग ट्रबल फॉर योरसेल्फ। सर प्लीज, सर प्लीज। सिंह साहब, यहाँ पर बड़ी एक मुश्किल आ रही है मेरे को। 5 पे 1 ऑफेंस फ्री में ऐसी कोई स्कीम है क्या गवर्नमेंट की? नहीं है ना, तो फिर मुझे क्यों दिखा रहे हो?
एनएचएआई की नियमावली में आप टेंडर लेने के बाद किसी के साथ सबलेटिंग नहीं कर सकते उस टेंडर की। May I read the relevant lines,
Subletting and partnership are one and the same thing?
This is not partnership.
और क्या है?
जी पार्टनरशिप नहीं है। इसमें हुआ ये है कि दिस पर्सन अमित खम्परिया तो टेंडर फ्रॉम एनएचएआई आफ्टर प्रॉपर बिडिंग देन ही सेज कि ठीक है मुझे टेंडर मिल गया है, आप इसकी सारी राशि आप लोग चारों लोग जमा कर दीजिए।
पार्टनरशिप वर्ड है, पार्टनरशिप वर्ड है, पार्टनरशिप वर्ड है। आपने कहा सबलेटिंग, सबलेटिंग और पार्टनरशिप, whether both are same thing?
They are different. That's why I'm submitting that this was not a
तो
partnership.
आपके वो so called CSP वगैरह को नहीं समझ में आया था?
That's what I'm.
तब आप
these are my written submissions.
वो तो ठीक है,
I'll just refer to them.
यार बड़ी मुश्किल है यार। अनएक्सेप्टेबल आर्गुमेंट्स करोगे, जब हम पूछ लें तो आप कहते हो, फिर आपको अवॉइड करते हो। पहले आप खुद ही तो सोचो।
That's what I'm submitting is.
If you are saying that as per the norms of the NHAI, it cannot be sublet, ठीक है, सबलेटिंग हुई कि पार्टनरशिप हुई?
सबलेटिंग हुई क्योंकि इनके पास तो 1% भी नहीं
ना हो इनके पास। डॉक्यूमेंट में क्या है, पार्टनरशिप है कि सबलेटिंग? गौरव जी जरा ध्यान से सुनिएगा, अगर मैंने इसको होल्ड कर दिया सबलेटिंग है, यू ऑल्सो एक्टेड कॉन्ट्ररी टू द नॉर्म्स ऑफ द NHAI। आपको पता था कि सबलेटिंग नहीं हो सकती, फिर भी किया आपने। आपके खिलाफ भी एफआईआर करवा दूं?
हमको नहीं पता था, दैट्स व्हाट।
हाँ, अरे कैन यू से कि दैट इग्नोरेंस ऑफ लॉ इज पार्डनेबल? फिर बिना मतलब के या बिना सोचे समझे आप लोग आर्ग्यूमेंट्स करते हो, इनवाइटिंग ट्रबल फॉर योरसेल्फ।
May I read relevant lines from the FIR? Only.
I have already read. Mr. Surasingh has already read. I have also read along with him. I have not uttered a single word except that that CSP has found that subletting was not permissible.
May I refer this draft agreement which NHAI enters with the.
हाँ, वो बताइए ना। Proper argument होगा।
These are the my.
नहीं sir.
These are my written submissions. I'll only refer to them.
Sir, please.
This is the agreement.
Sir, please. सिंह साहब, यहाँ पर बड़ी एक मुश्किल आ रही है मेरे को। Without placing the documents on record, the lawyers are insisting that I should look into that.
No, I'm not.
Please, sir. Now, please keep quiet for 2 minutes. Is it possible, sir, or is it permissible that I should take the opposite party by surprise by relying on the documents which are neither here nor there? अगर सुरेंद्र सिंह साहब हमने आपके खिलाफ ऑर्डर करते हैं on relying on the documents which are provided to me directly, whatever you may think, that is a different aspect. What your client would say. पर हमको मौका ही नहीं, ये कौन सा डॉक्यूमेंट आ गया? एक्सटेनियस कंसिडरेशन से पता नहीं, जो भी आएगा वो सब होगा। And the lawyers are not ready to improve themselves. Who prevented you from filing these documents? It is a matter of investigation. Should I conduct the investigation? Go and tell the IO. फिर आपने कहा कि subletting is not permissible. Okay, fine. अब आप आ जाओ, whether it is a subletting or it is a agreement or partnership. If you say it is a subletting, then why you entered into a forbidden agreement? I don't know. I didn't know whether this ignorance of law is pardonable. सब कुछ पता है यार आपको, आप लोग उसको वो सोचते ही नहीं हो कि इसके बारे में क्या क्वेश्चन आ जाएंगे विद इन spur of moments. I did not take to react even more than 3 seconds.
May I submit this now? I'm relying on my lord's own judgment, one judgment.
वो बताओ ना।
In which my lords have held that after a person has been declared as absconding, my lords, the 482 is not maintainable because, my lords, the natural consequence, my lords, after 82-83 proceedings have been initiated.
प्रदीप शर्मा, अरे प्रदीप शर्मा वाला जजमेंट है बाय द सुप्रीम। अरे वो तो मेरा है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का प्रदीप शर्मा वाला है। उसमें नहीं पढ़ा हो क्या? उसमें देखो, उसमें प्रदीप शर्मा प्रदीप शर्मा रिफर्ड नहीं है।
It is referred in that, but what I was referring to just to keep myself
ठीक
correct.
है जी सर। और कुछ सर?
Then, my lords, may I submit why I could not file these documents is.
I am not concerned about that.
May I submit?
Sir, please, I am not
because
concerned
these
about that.
documents are well within.
Sir, please,
possession
sir,
of
please.
commissioners.
मुझे बच्चों की तरह सिखाना पड़ता है कानून आप लोगों को।
That's my
प्रॉब्लम ये है,
My lords,
पराग जी, प्रॉब्लम ये है। अब आप बताइए कि whether I am required to investigate the matter at this stage?
no, my lords,
No.
I am not saying.
Or whether I am required to consider only the uncontroverted allegations? Yes.
My lords.
जो आपने FIR में लिखा है उससे वो मैं नहीं रोक रहा हूं आपको बहस करने के।
That's
अब आप पेंडिंग इन्वेस्टिगेशंस में डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाना चाहते हैं मेरे को, आई विल नॉट लुक इनटू दोस
May I
डॉक्यूमेंट्स।
submit?
हाँ,
Because these documents are from the charge sheet.
चलिए सर, आपको जो बोलना बोलते रहिए।
Why I am referring to these documents, my lords, this only may be submitted.
या सीधा बोलिए whether they are the part of the charge sheet, whether investigation is over?
My lords, that the investigation is over with respect to a co-accused, my lords, in which these documents are referred. my lords. That's why I am
तो
submitting.
सीधा बोलो ना।
I was trying to submit. Just. My lords, now may I submit?
मतलब 100 मीटर की रेस दौड़ने के बाद असली बात बोलोगे।
My lords, I was trying to submit. Before my lords.
अच्छा, why you did not file it in this case?
Because on the last date of hearing,
On the what was the last date, sir?
my lords,
27th.
27th. My lords, I prayed that I need time to file reply. My lords were kind enough to give time, my lords. And my lords, I submitted that I'll call the respondent, my lords, if he can come, my lords.
Fine, fine. चलिए ठीक है, आगे बोलिए जो
Because
बोलना।
this is a criminal matter. My lords were kind enough
Sir,
to
please,
grant me time.
sir, please,
My
please conclude your arguments. It is already 1:57.
my lords, may I refer these documents, my lords? I'm only referring these, my lords. I'm not.
डायरी है आप लोगों के पास? दे दीजिए, डायरी दे दीजिए, उसमें मैं देखता हूँ क्या है।
My lords. My lords, clause 31 of the draft agreement says, my lords, may I read two lines, my lords?
Which is that draft agreement?
The draft agreement is there in in the.
हाँ, मिल गया सर।
My lords. In that clause 31 says the contractor undertakes not to assign any right and slash or obligation of this contract to any other person without prior consent of the authority in writing. Why I'm referring this clause is, my lords, because this has been the basis of the FIR. My lords, now I may be allowed to.
Okay, I will direct for a registration of FIR against you also, sir.
My lords, may I read the.
Or else tell me that ignorance of law is
No,
pardonable.
my lords, I'm not saying. My lords, may I read the relevant lines of the FIR?
Follow?
शिकायत दिनांक 10/3/22 का जांच उपरांत कायमी वास्ते प्राप्त हुआ शिकायत पत्र की संपूर्ण जांच में पाया गया कि आवेदक गोपी कृष्ण महेश्वरी द्वारा प्रस्तुत शिकायत पत्र में आवेदक एवं अनावेदक के मध्य हुए अनुबंध पत्र, आवेदक के बैंक अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट, आवेदक के एवं अनावेदक के मध्य हुए निरस्तीकरण अनुबंध पत्र तथा आवेदक अनावेदक के मध्य विधिक नोटिस व NHAI की नियमावली आवेदक जी के महेश्वरी द्वारा प्रस्तुत किए गए उपरोक्त अनुबंध पत्र के एक भागीदार आनंद कुमार तिवारी द्वारा।
अच्छा सर, आपने जो 1,90,00,000 रुपए दिए थे,
My lords.
उसका डॉक्यूमेंट कौन सा है? As per the charge sheet which has already been filed against the co-accused.
Lords, I cannot refer the page numbers of that charge sheet because those are not.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, आपके पास है,
My lords.
दिखाइए, मैं उससे टैली कर लूंगा, मैं टैली कर लूंगा।
Lords, I'm not having that, my lords, but that is an uncontroverted fact, my lord. They only accept that I supplied these sum of money to them.
सम ऑफ नहीं, 190
My lords, 1,96 lakhs was
कहाँ पे है?
deposited by me to their account, my lords. It is uncontroverted, my lord.
So is it uncontroverted that an amount of rupees 1,90,00,000 was paid by him? Is it undisputed or disputed? आपको 1,90,00,000 रुपए मिले थे, आपके अकाउंट में आए थे, बस ठीक है।
My lords, then, my lords, what happened is, my lords, when he called me to enter into the my lords, my lords, I was trying to refer to the all many other documents, my lords, if my lords may accept this, my lords. My lords, in charge sheet also there are some photographs which also, my lords, I need to refer. My lords.
चलिए सर,
My lords.
जी सर।
My lords, I am also relying, my lords, on the judgment, my lords, of Bhajan Lal. My lords may be well aware of that, my lords. My lords, in that the Supreme Court have enumerated, my lords, several conditions, my lords, out of which, my lords, none of the conditions is getting fulfilled in this matter, my lords.
Right.
My lords, entertain this 482 application
Right,
for
sir.
passage. And my lords, I am heavily relying on my lord's own judgment, my lords, which I just supplied. My lords, in which my lords have categorically held, my lords, that if the offender is declared absconder, then my lords 482 cannot be entertained because the natural consequence flows.
वो प्रदीप शर्मा वाला जजमेंट है,
Miles.
बेसिकली 2014 का जजमेंट है, प्रदीप शर्मा वाला जजमेंट है. उसके बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने और भी किए.
My lords,
अभी रिसेंटली पिछले लास्ट ईयर भी आया है,
my lords,
रिलाइंग ऑन दैट प्रदीप शर्मा.
I'm
और
only
कुछ?
relying on my lord's view, my lords. I'm only
मेरा व्यू नहीं है, इट इज बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट.
I'm so sorry.
वी आर ओनली द फॉलोअर्स ऑफ द लॉ लेड डाउन बाय सुप्रीम कोर्ट, दैट इज ऑल.
My lords.
जो हमने मेहनत नहीं की वो उसका क्रेडिट मत दो हमको.
Then, my lords, yes,
हाँ.
my lords, then, my lords, I am also relying on the conduct of this accused, my lords. Where, my lords, this cannot be said that this accused cannot commit this type of offense, my lords.
Oh, that cannot be a scope, sir. Neither he has argued nor that cannot be a scope.
My lords, I am only submitting to reflect the conduct of this
Uh-huh.
accused, my lords, before this one.
Hmm.
My lords, this accused, my lords, faced 2 trials, my lords, for an offense registered in 2011, my lords, in District Mandla. My lords,
उससे क्या होगा?
my lords, I am only submitting that to show the conduct of
अरे
this.
भाई साहब,
If my
मुझे
lords-
ये बात एक बात बताओ.
I'll not submit.
मुझे
I'll not
बताइए.
submit.
मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ.
My lords.
सपोज अगर सुरेंद्र सिंह साहब ये कहते, सर मैं कितना भोला आदमी हूँ सर, तो मैं आपकी बात सुनता.
My lords.
उन्होंने तो नहीं कहा.
Then I'll not submit.
तब तो उन्होंने तो कहा ही नहीं.
I'll not submit.
But can I say that since you had committed 2 offenses, therefore it cannot be said that you have not committed the 3rd offense? Can it be? A person may be a hardcore criminal. That may be relevant for appreciating the evidence, but in order to give a finding with regard to the guilt, can it be a relevant factor?
No, my lords.
Hmm.
Because I'm only relying on the criminal record of this person.
अरे भाई साहब वो ठीक है.
Well, this person
और
is
कुछ बताओ, और क्या है?
इस ऑफेंस के बाद के भी बहुत सारे ऑफेंस.
अरे बहुत, अरे मैं कहता हूँ क्या तिवारी जी, आप लोग समय बर्बाद करने में तुले रहते हो जस्ट फॉर द सेटिस्फेक्शन ऑफ योर क्लाइंट.
No, my lords, I'll not submit.
हाँ, मुझे पहले आप लॉ बता दीजिए कि that once a person has committed 5 offenses, therefore it has to be presumed that the 6th offense was also committed by him.
No, my lords, I'm not saying that.
5 पे 1 ऑफेंस फ्री में ऐसी कोई स्कीम है क्या गवर्नमेंट
No.
की? नहीं है ना, तो फिर मुझे क्यों दिखा रहे हो?
My lords, मेरा कहना केवल इतना है.
अरे यार वो बहुत अच्छे होंगे, बहुत बुरे होंगे. दिस इज नन ऑफ माय
My
jurisdiction to
lords,
give a
then I'll not
finding.
submit. Then, my lords, I'm only relying on one more judgment, my lords. Pratibha versus Rameshwari Devi, 2007, 12 SCC 369.
Findings given by the civil court are not binding on the criminal court.
Yes.
हाँ, और
My lords, also there are 3 lines which I may read, my lords,
हाँ.
before my lords, if my lords may permit.
हाँ.
My lord, it is well settled that criminal and civil
अच्छा, वो
proceedings are
they can
separate and
coexist, हाँ.
independent. Separate and independent, and the pendency of a civil proceeding cannot bring to an end a criminal proceeding even if
Right,
they
right,
are
right.
same set of facts.
और
Lords,
कुछ सर
one who says
बताओ.
was Preeti Saraf versus State NCT of Delhi 2021-16 SCC 142.
एक मिनट citation.
Citation is 2021-16 SCC 142.
एक सेकंड. 22116 SCC page
142.
142.
Lords, may I read the relevant paragraph?
पैरा बता दो बस.
31.
पैरा 30. चलो सर, एनीथिंग टू ऐड? अच्छा, व्हाट अबाउट द 3rd केस? आशीष जी, जिसमें आप अपेयर हो रहे हैं.
यस मिलर्ड, इनका कहना है कि ये ऑफेंस ये वाला रजिस्टर्ड होने के बाद और भी 2 FIR हुई.
हम्म.
तो मेरा
ये कैंसिलेशन ऑफ बेल है.
यस
हाँ.
यस
हाँ.
कैंसिलेशन. आई वाज ग्रांटेड बेल बाय ऑर्डर डेटेड मिलर्ड 29/11/22 बाय द ASG जबलपुर.
हम्म.
उसकी इस केस में भी मेरा नाम नहीं था. उसके बाद जो FIR दर्ज हुई उसमें भी हमारा नाम नहीं था. फिर एक फेसबुक में जो अमित कंपरिया के साथ हम भी थे, तो फोटो देख के हमको फिर बाद में सब्सिक्वेंट जोड़ा गया. सर, हमने किसी भी कंडीशन का वायलेशन नहीं किया.
चलो ठीक है,
My lords, I don't need to argue on that.
बताओ ना.
My lords, my submission is, my lords, that one court, honorable court of this honorable court, my lords, one bench of this honorable court has entertained, my lords, that submission that for in respect of a different accused, my lords, that after registration of those 2 offences, the bail must be cancelled, my lords, and they have cancelled that bail, my lords, and have directed, my lords, in respect of this only person, my lords, Amit Kamparia, that, my lords, the bail is cancelled and the IU is directed to arrest that person immediately and send him to jail.
Hmm.
But still, he's not arrested. My lords, in that I also filed content, but my lords, that is irrelevant. I'm only submitting that, my lords, the bail of this person may also be cancelled. Only relying on that judgment, my lords, that after registration of 2 more offences,
हाँ,
the bail may be cancelled, my lords, because that is a breach of conditions of bail.
अच्छी बात है सर. अब एक छोटा सा और आर्ग्यूमेंट कर दो सर.
My lords,
When the allegation of misuse of liberty
my lords.
whether the application would lie before the same court which has granted bail or it would lie before the higher court.
My lords, this, it can lie before the high court. My lords.
हायर कोर्ट वो
Yes,
और
sir.
ऑफेंसेस जो रजिस्टर हुए हैं उसके क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं?
My lords, my lords, the crime numbers are, my lords, 488 by 22.
चलो मैं देख
60
लूंगा
by
अपने
22. My lords, I have written in my.
ठीक,
My lords, may I also make a.
सवा 2 बजे बता देना ना, हमारे स्टाफ को 15 मिनट दे रहा हूँ मैं, एक्चुअली मैं अपने लिए नहीं चाहिए मुझे।
My lords.